Alright, we're at Corte Inglés in Madrid. Look, we got Schindler M series. Look at that. Oh, my headphones are hanging out. Fix that. Ooh, this one runs a lot better than the other one. Oh, perfect. Ooh, and it pre-doors too. The other one doesn't do that. Yeah, this one's the better car for sure. Alright, let's look out. Damn, that dude had the exact same outfit as me. A t-shirt, basketball shorts, tennis shoes, and his socks pulled up a little too high. Here we go. I tried to get a video of that other one about 5 minutes ago and it was busy as hell. And that one took ages to level too. This is the one I gotta get my take of. This is the better one by far. Seems like for whatever reason, more people use that one. And hold on, before it closes, somebody just put a TKE sticker on there. 97 these are from. Hold on. I don't want it to close because I don't want it to start going for some reason. Oh, we're going up. I thought 5 was closed. Wait, these have smart controllers. I think it... Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. No, you're all good. I'm just making a video of the view.
Muchas cosas. A todo le veo tu carita. Todo. Todo le veo tu carita.
Już będą wakacje, nie wypowiadamy. My jedziemy na jeden.
And look, there's some Schindler escalators there.
Ja wcisnęłam jeden. Okej. Co? Nie lubię takich miejsc. Ja nie wiem, co lubię. Ja lubię miejsc. Ja lubię Walencję. Ja lubię.
Somebody didn't know where they were going. Alright, let's watch out the doors. 5 is locked. That's a restaurant, so you gotta go up there separately because you have to have like reservations or whatever. That'd be funny if I just got out. Eat for free. Yeah, we're stopping at 1 because it's going slower. These have smart controllers. Wow. These things actually have really good controllers. They stop on a dime. Yeah, and I think it actually goes a little faster, or it varies its top speed depending on where the next stop is. So if it's just going 1 floor, it's going to go a little slower. Now watch the leveling here. That is really good leveling. That's like right on the money. These things are good. I mean, this car is that other one, I don't know, but this car runs very well. Also, their bottom drive. There's the other car. And you see it takes a second, see? Those people are still waiting. Yeah, look, now the door's open. That other one has a delay for whatever reason, but this one, the second you're there, they open the doors. All right, we're gonna end it on 4. Playing some Bruno Mars. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Now we're gonna stop. Just kidding. There's a hole in the wall. Show me the hole in the wall. That's some funky door equipment. And you can see here, there's the escalators. I've not seen ones like that in America. We'll watch the elevator go. And it's going up. We're actually going to watch it a little more. I bet you, yeah, look, it didn't actually cancel their down call. They just got up when it was going up, so it's going to stop again. But watch. See the arrow come on. Let's wait away from it so they don't think that I made them stop. Because that would be awkward. Ha 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 ha. Let's actually go watch it go down though. And there it goes. See the counterweight? Anyway, there's the other one. Actually, I think it's underslung. Yeah, I'm pretty sure these are underslung. Look at that. They are. That's a very interesting setup these have. And then there goes the counterweight. Anyway, that's gonna be it. These are pretty cool.